you enjoying here in Scotland?
Me?
Yeah.
Of course, honey. I think you and Gina and Ida and me, we all can have a bonded time.
Hello, Bessie. Say hello, Linda, to Bessie.
Oh,
Ako si Don XCD. Good morning.
is it?
Lalabs
Bessie,
married.
good morning. Bessie is on live,
Y-
honey.
yes, I'm on live.
Oh,
It's 1:30 in the morning.
let's go to sleep.
Kim Neneville too. Hi. Say hi, hello, darling. Hanili.
Hi, honey. Hi, honey, Bessie. Our four girls are honey bunny. And then
Alauna medya na ng madaling araw dito. Gising pa kami.
Bessie is Bessie. What is the breakfast she's doing?
Breakfast tomorrow morning.
I mean the Bessie. What breakfast she's
Doon ako, puntahan mo ako, Bessie ko. Saan? Saan kita pupuntahan? Mercy Lim, saan kita pupuntahan?
actually her surname Lim Lim is a Chinese surname.
Yes, Chinese.
Isn't she Chinese?
Blood Chinese.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you, everyone. Happy together. Yes, happy together. Launa medya na dito. Iisa lang ang tao. Oh my God. Good night, honey.
Good night. Sleep again. It's good. You sleep about like 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock, I think.
Really?
Yeah. When I finish the shower, you already. It was
Oh
only five
gosh.
o'clock because after me, Mark also take the shower. Only 5 o'clock. Not even 5 o'clock, I think. It's good. I let you to sleep. And you wake up at 9 something. 9:30. You wake up at around 9:30.
Bessie, nasaan ka? Matutulog na kami. Alauna medya na. Oh, dear. Alauna medya na ng madaling araw. Yeah. Good morning, Ellie. Lala Rachel, good morning to you. Matutulog na kami. Napagod kami maghapon. Na nag-impake. My God, man, another day.
My friend hasn't sent me the air ticket. Tomorrow is 7 already. I
Mm,
hope it will be okay.
yeah.